Hello everybody! Today I'll be showing you 5 Mac tricks you didn't know about. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. The first trick I'll be showing you today is Spotlight Search. If you hold down Command and Space, a bar will pop up that says Spotlight Search. You can do math equations, open files, open applications, and more. For example, you can type 100 divided by 25 and it will tell you the answer is 4. You can also type in the beginning of a file name and press Enter to open it. Finally, you can open applications such as the App Store. The second trick I'll be showing you is how to put windows in split screen view. To do this, just hold down the full screen button and drag it to either side. Then select another window to put it into split screen view next to the first window. Now you can use both windows at the same time without having to switch between them. The next trick has to do with changing the volume. If you just want the volume a slight bit higher and not a full bar higher, you're in luck. If you hold down Shift and Option and then change the volume, it changes by 1/4 of a bar instead of the full bar. The fourth trick is how to change the accent color of your Mac. To do this, go into System Preferences and then General. Here you can change the accent color of your Mac, which changes the highlight color and the color of selection on the menu bar. This is only available on macOS Mojave, but if you're in a lower macOS, you can still change the highlight color. The final trick I'll be showing you today prevents your Mac from going to sleep or turning off. It uses an application called Terminal that comes with Macs and should already be downloaded onto your Mac. If you cannot find it in Launchpad, you can use Spotlight Search from the first trick I showed you to open it. To keep your Mac from sleeping or turning off, just type the word Caffeinate and press Return. If you spelled it correctly, the word at the top will now say Caffeinate, and it will run until you stop it by pressing Ctrl and then C. To tell that Terminal has stopped running Caffeinate, the word at the top will change from Caffeinate to Bash. Caffeinate will keep your Mac on until you tell it to stop, but if you want it to stop preventing your Mac from falling asleep for a certain amount of time, just type Caffeinate and then -T, followed by however many seconds you want to prevent your Mac from sleeping. For example, if I type in Caffeinate -T 10, it will run for 10 seconds. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestions for videos I should make in the future, comment them down below.